Spirit back with an important update. You may recall that I used to make natural hair videos or videos centered around natural hair.
You really are?
They're not the ones who have that head of hair. It's you.
Can I keep it real with you? Just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. Those videos were not for me. At least making them about natural hair. Like, don't get me wrong, I enjoyed the entire creative process, starting from just an idea to a whole video. Yes, that was for me, but making it about natural hair, that was not. I only made it because other people were suggesting that I make natural hair videos. And just because you're good at something does not mean you should be doing it, or that that's your purpose, right? Inconsistency happens when you're doing things for other people. So I've decided to make a shift. Now my channel will have videos about my healing journey, my self-development, my experiences coping with anxiety and depression, changes in career paths, my hobbies, my mentality.
Write that down, write that down!
And I might just sprinkle an occasional vlog or two about my all things solo dates, solo trips, anything that involves me, myself, and I plan on giving you all an inside scoop on what that looks like for me. Don't worry though, for my girlfriends in need, those natural hair videos will still be up. Just don't expect more of them from me in the future. I hope that was not sticking up the whole time. That would be tragic. Now, if my channel is not your cup of tea, respect. I respect it, truly, really, I do. And I wish you the best in your future endeavors. But if this sounds intriguing to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tag along for one hell of a ride. Who knows, maybe we can figure this life thing out together. Until then, thank you for lending a listening ear and joining me on this journey. I'll see you next time. Ciao.